Okay guys, so everybody was asking how I did those Marilyn Monroe canvas pictures, so I'm about to show y'all. So this is going to be a small DIY video.
Okay, so this is what you'll need. You're gonna need paint, matte acrylic paint. No, I'm sorry, don't get matte, just get acrylic paint. You're gonna need some Mod Podge. You're gonna need 2 foam brushes. One's for the Mod Podge and the other one's for the acrylic paint. You can use a container if you want to, but you don't have to. You need your picture, which mine's a calendar picture. And the paper's so thin, I think that's why it's been wrinkling, but yeah. You're gonna need the canvas frame, and yeah. If you want to, you can use cutting paper thing, or you could use scissors. This is another one I'm working on right now. Isn't it cute?
Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put the picture, I do want to put this hole right here, and then look on top. Oh my baby. So let me put that first.
So I am crazy.
Okay, so here is the picture, and it's already cut to fit the canvas. You see that? And it's okay if it's a little bit smaller. I mean, that's no problem. There you go. Okay, so now first thing what we're gonna do, I already opened this. We're going to paint the edges. That's why we need to paint. We're gonna paint the edges, and then we're also gonna paint like the corner. Y'all see why? But that's why I don't use the container. I'll just do this. And start painting. And you do want to get these little corners in here too. So like this. Okay, so this is how it looks once I painted it. I did all the edges like so, and the corners. And it doesn't matter about this part right here being all crazy because you're gonna put the picture right on top anyway. So yeah. Okay, so the next step after this is dry, I'm gonna let it dry for 5 minutes. So I'm not even gonna mess with this one, but I'm gonna tell y'all the next step. So you're gonna pour a little bit of Mod Podge on top of this, and with the brush,
Mod Podge.
Please excuse the hubby. Anyway, and with the brush, you're just gonna, spread it all out. It doesn't matter how you spread it or whatever. And then you're gonna get the picture and you're gonna put it right on top, like so. You're gonna put it right on top. And then you're gonna let it dry for 5 minutes. But since I'm waiting for this paint to dry, I'm not gonna mess with this one. So I'm gonna show you with the next picture I'm working on how it looks like after dry. So this is how it looks like after dried. Yeah, you can see it's a calendar, but when it's hung up, you can't even tell. So yeah, I know it's wrinkled. Like I said, it's probably because of the picture being so thin, the paper being so thin. Because if it was a picture, then it would be better, or it would look better. Because you can do your pictures, like family portraits, or anything. So now we're gonna put the Mod Podge on top, and I'm gonna show you guys. Okay.
My phone's literally at 4%, so I have to do it. So this is what I'm gonna do. This is the picture. I'm gonna put it right here, and then I'm gonna put Mod Podge, and it doesn't matter. I mean, you can put a lot. You don't have to be greedy with it. And you're just gonna. And on this one, it does matter how you're putting the Mod Podge, because this is going to be the face. So make sure you're going in one direction, or the same way, I mean.
So this is how the picture looks like now. Don't worry, it's gonna dry and it's gonna dry clear. So that's how it looks. And this is the final picture. Those two I did last night. Maybe some of y'all saw my snap, but yeah, that's how the final pictures look like. I messed up on this one, I know, but I kind of liked it at the end because it looks like it's fading off the picture. It looks cute, I think. My opinion, but remember, my pictures. So yeah, this project probably cost less than $5, I swear. Maybe less than $5 compared to these canvases that I've bought and been expensive, or they were gifted to me. Oh yeah, so
Okay guys, so that was the end of my tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up